everyone, my name is Aishwarya. I am studying in second year BE Electrical and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am discussing about balance modulator and ISI. Introduction to balance modulator and ISI. The balance modulator is the key component in the communication system for modulating a signal onto a carrier wave. The inter-symbol interference ISI is a common issue in communication system that can degrade the signal quality. Understanding the relationship between the balance modulator and ISI is crucial for the optimizing the communication performance. What is the balance modulation? A balance modulator is a circuit that multiplies into the input signal to produce an output signal. It is a commonly used in a communication system for the amplitude modulation and frequency conversion. The balance modulator ensures the carrier wave is suppressed to minimize interference. Type of balance modulator. It are the various type of balance modulator included ring modulator and double balance mixer. The ring modulator used to diodes and transistor to perform the modulation process. The double modulated the mixture utilize a balance configuration to suppress the unwanted sideband signals. Working principle of balance modulator. A balance modulator cancels out the carrier signal to produce a double sideband and suppress the carrier signals. By balancing the modulation process, the output signal contains only the sideband, reduces the interference. The balance modulator contains the signal integrity and minimized distortion in the communication system. The understanding the inter-symbol the interference ISI. The inter-symbol interference occurs when the symbol is a digital signal overlap in time domain. The ISI can result from the channel dispersion, noise, or the improper synchronization. ISI can lead to error in signal decoding and impact the overall system performance. Factor contributing to ISI. The factor contributing to ISI include the signal bandwidth, channel characteristics, and modulation scheme. The high data rates and long channel lengths increases the likelihood of the ISI. The proper equalization techniques and signal processing algorithms can mitigate the effects of ISI. Impact of ISI and communication system. ISI can cause a error in a signal detection, leads to reduce the data throughout the reliability in high speed communication system. ISI can limit the achievable data rate. Effective mitigation strategies such as the equalization and pulse shaping are the essential to the combat the ISI. The relationship between the balance modulator and ISI. The balance modulator play a crucial role in the minimizing the ISI by the suppressing the carrier signal. By reducing the interfacing, the maintaining the signal balance modulator help the mitigate the ISI effect. The proper modulation techniques and signal processing can improve the system performance and reduce the ISI impact. The, the strategies to minimize the ISI using the balance modulator. The implementation adaptive the equalization techniques can compensate for the channel distortions and reduce the ISI. the utilizing the pulse shaping, the method can help to reducing the signal overlap and mitigating ISI effects. The proper system design includes the use of a balance modulator can improve the signal quality and minimize the ISI. Conclusion: balance modulator as the essential component, the communication system for the modulation and the interfacing the suppression. The intersymbol interfacing can degrade the signal quality and impact system performance. By understanding the relationship between the balance modulator and ISI, the engineers can optimize the communication system for the improve the reliability and efficiency. Thank you for watching.